All right, you guys, here it is. Here is the first version of this new version of the billet valve cover. You guys saw this in the previous vlog, the 3D printed versions with and without a version of a plug cover. And what we have right here is it now in 6061. You can see the tool paths. I'm really hyped on this. It's a little bit dirty. I did wipe it down, but whether I hit it with Cerakote, anodizing, mirror polish, paint like the one that's currently on the Prelude. But let's show you guys the underside. You can see all the tool paths underneath. So to mimic the openings I have on the current valve cover, the two AN-10s are here. But for people like myself who might want to run this straight up raw, no Cerakote, no anodizing, no powder, I hit up SmokeDogg about doing a weld bung, but doing the type that have a shoulder, so that when you make a hole, you do the smaller size and these drop in, and you have this perfect seal here. But instead of welding on the outside, you weld it on the inside, so you have the ID that you need. But on the outside, if you ran it straight up raw aluminum, it's perfect. You obviously get the weld work in here, but on the outside, it's perfect. So paint, Cerakote, anodize, whatever, but no matter what, perfect shoulder on the outside, and your AN line will go, the fitting will sit right up against here. So that's that. Now for the baffling, to prevent, you know, oil from going in there, what we did was this. So it's like, you have this that goes like this, and it's got a pitch. So it's gonna be welded along here. Smoke's gonna seal this. That's the only opening, and that will allow the crankcase pressure, obviously, to make it through there and go out of the AN fitting. So Smoke mentioned that. I think Alan had a great idea, and he right now just mocked this up. It's gonna make the opposite side welded to the valve cover. We have a head right here. So we tested clearances on an actual H22 cylinder head. Thanks to Dan at WordWorks, we know that this clears. So it's gonna go on the valve cover, and that will be the baffle that will prevent liquid oil from making it out of the AN openings. All you're gonna get there is crankcase pressure venting. You know what I'm saying? So baffle number one, let's get it at SmokeDogg Customs. Okay, so he mocked up the other side to match this guy right here. Got the same pitch, same dimensions, and then it will go right there, and then it'll be ready. We have the head. We're gonna double check. He already double checked that side, so we know 1000% that it mounts and fits. And he's about to do the other baffle, and then it can get put on the Prelude to be tested under boost, high boost, pressure, etc. So all right guys, there it is on the head. Look at that, bam, baffle, bam, bam, opening there, and it mounts right up on the mock head. SmokeDogg?
Yeah, I like it.
It's coming along, guys. Thank you for being here. We gotta test some more things, but it's coming along.